Hey everyone, do we want to block all websites on Google Chrome and keep our browsing safe? In this video, we will show step by step how to use an extension to block adult content. This way, we can protect ourselves and our families online. Blocking adult websites means setting up content filters at different levels, on devices, browsers, networks, or through your ISP, to stop access to pornographic, explicit, or unwanted materials. Some common ways are using browser extensions, turning on DNS-level filtering with services like OpenDNS or Clean Browsing, setting up parental controls, or using ISP filters made to protect users. The purpose of a block site extension and family filter is to keep children and family members safe from inappropriate or harmful websites. It blocks adult content, dangerous sites, and other unsafe material online. This helps create a safer browsing environment and supports responsible internet use. Now, let's see how to block these websites using an extension or a family filter, DNS, on Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. Next, we need to add an extension that will block adult websites. Go to the settings in the upper right corner of your browser. You will see 3 dots. Click on them. Look for extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Visit the Chrome Web Store from here. We will search for the extensions. On this page, you can choose from different extensions and look for the block site extension. Since we are using a block site extension, we will select this one. We have used this extension for almost 5 years now, and it keeps our browsing safe. If you do not have it yet, you will see the option to add it to Chrome. Just click it and install it. Once the extension is installed, go to the website you want to block. For example, if you want to block a certain site, just right-click on it. Under the options, you can block this page. It will be blocked and cannot be opened anymore unless you unblock it. Another way to block adult content is by using a family filter DNS. Go to the family filter DNS settings by clicking the 3 dots again. Go to Settings, then to Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security, and then select Security. Here, we will use the Clean Browsing Family Filter DNS. This DNS will block all adult websites in Chrome. Just click this option and then save. And that's it. We have blocked all adult websites on Chrome using an extension and family filter DNS, giving a safer and more controlled browsing experience. This is perfect for parents, teachers, or anyone who wants a clean internet environment.